Hey there, this episode is all about DePools. What are they? How do they work? And what are their benefits? Find out in this video. A DePool is a smart contract that allows other smart contracts to invest deposits from different network users into a common pool. The users can then participate in a validator election on behalf of the validator who owns the DePool. After each successful validation cycle, pool participants receive a reward from the validator based on the amount deposited. The key elements in a DePool are the validator node and wallet, and the smart contract that enables the DePool to deploy. The validator node generates election requests and performs validation and is essentially a regular node. The validator wallet stores funds for use in staking, which the validator sends along with the election requests directly to the elector and the DePool. The DePool itself collects stakes from the validator and other participants who are interested in investing in the validator. It receives election requests from the validator's wallet and attaches the collected funds, which it passes then to the elector through its proxies. When the elector returns the stake, the DePool processes it and distributes the reward to the participants. It charges a small fee on the DePool's total reward to cover the ongoing operating expenses of the node and the DePool. The main advantage of a DePool is that it significantly increases the number of individuals participating in the validation, and it also facilitates greater decentralization of the network. Thanks to DePools, any blockchain user who does not have a validation system, but has free funds, can take part in the validation process and start earning passive income from their investment in it. At the same time, users who have a validation system but do not have enough funds to participate in the validator election with the subsequent reward can also deploy a DePool, set it up, place the necessary stakes, and take part. Other advantages are the short lock-in period, only 54 hours, and the high security of using a DePool. Since DePools usually involve other participants who have no control over the node, they're programmed to save the maximum amount of these participants' funds, so that possible losses in the case of a malfunctioning node are first deducted from the validator's investment and only then from other participants' stakes. Thanks to the established smart contract mechanism, the code for which is open source and officially verified, DePools remember which wallets were used to place which stake. A stake can therefore only be withdrawn from a DePool by the owner of the wallet that it was placed from. If a DePool validator wins an election but performs an improper or correct operation for its node or participates in a malicious attack, some or all of the validator's stake may be lost as punishment. The DePool's owner will be the first to lose all or part of their money, since they have to invest a minimum number of tokens in each validation round. This means a validator using a DePool bears the same risks as a validator who participates in the election through their own wallet and only using their own funds directly. You can find all the necessary stats and trends for all active DePools, including total value locked and total number of DePools and stakeholders on everpools.io. And another great example of the implementation of DePools is boosted staking. Users can lock their Ever tokens for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years and earn extra staking rewards amounting to as much as 26% APR. You can find more details about boosted staking in our previous video. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our social media.